Hi, welcome to our weekly garden check-in. My name's Kelsey, children's educator here at Ginter Botanical Garden, and this week I'm going to share with you my favorite lasagna recipe. That's right, compost lasagna or sheet mulching. I'm going to be showing you how to establish a new garden bed in your yard using recycled materials or things that you can find in your yard or your neighborhood. Sheet mulching or compost lasagna is the process of layering organic materials and allowing the decomposition process to do the hard work of establishing a new garden bed for you. Your first layer is your cardboard layer. So the first thing you need to do is locate some cardboard, which shouldn't be difficult if your neighborhood looks like mine. The recycling bins are full of boxes and packing materials, and so cardboard is a abundant, free, recycled resource that you can utilize. So you pick your area where you'd like to establish your garden bed and lay down the cardboard. The cardboard acts as your weed barrier and blocks out sunlight and air from the grass and weeds, which will cause them to die and decompose. This cuts out a lot of time and energy that you would spend digging them up or pulling the weeds by hand. Another thing that I learned about cardboard is that earthworms love it. They are attracted to it. This will attract worms and hopefully other decomposers to the area and will decompose that grass and the weeds and incorporate that organic matter and those nutrients back into the soil. The second step is to add your compost. Here at the garden, we compost our kitchen scraps from the cafe and our garden waste and allow those organic materials to break down with the help of decomposers like worms and bacteria and other beneficial microbes, and we are left with compost, which we use to feed the soil. And so our next layer is a nice, healthy layer of compost, usually about an inch or two, and we add that right on top of the cardboard. If you don't have access to compost and you don't have a compost pile at home, first of all, I would recommend definitely starting a compost pile at home. It is a really awesome way to recycle your kitchen scraps and your yard waste and prevent those organic biodegradable materials from ending up in a landfill and can reduce the amount of waste that is produced by your household. But I've also done sheet mulching without the compost layer, and it has turned out just fine. The last layer that we're going to use on this compost lasagna is leaves or pine bark mulch. We have access to a lot of leaves here at the garden that have fallen off of the deciduous trees. The leaves or the mulch will act sort of like the cheese of your lasagna. Your last step in starting your sheet mulch is to water. You can water your sheet mulch periodically if you don't get a lot of rain where you are, but when you first start it, it's important to water it really, really well to get it going. There are a lot of benefits to using sheet mulching or making a compost lasagna for establishing a new garden bed. We talked about how it takes less energy to build a compost lasagna than it does to dig up the weeds and the grass by hand. Also, the decomposition process adds the organic matter back into the soil where plants can use them. And you can spend your time and energy planning your garden and picking out the plants, vegetables, and fruits that you would like to plant in that area while your compost lasagna is breaking down and decomposing. And by springtime or summertime, when you're ready to plant, you can just plant directly in and start your new garden bed. I hope you guys will try out this project at home And I hope you guys will join us for story time on Friday mornings with Miss Tarnisha. Thanks so much for watching. Have a good week.